How did we get here? I think, the pigs, since the pigs stole the slingshot, now it's time for angry pigs. This is getting weird. Yeah, weirder every day. Well, is everyone ready at least? I'm ready. 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 Oh, I don't want to be included in this, sorry. The pigs will never kill me. It won't be fair. Oh, God, you just made me fall. Okay, I'm ready again. I'm ready. I'm ready. Oh. Okay, guys, let's go. Okay, guys, now it's time to start. I'll go first. Uh-oh. What the? No fair. Dink. Flick. Ah! I'll teach you a lesson. What? Oh. What? No, I don't want to find it. No, no. Pop. Easy. What the? We play fair? Why are you guys not playing fair? Cause, we're birds. We have powers. You guys are just pigs. Yeah. You. You, go. No.
Not for you. Not a hugger.
Yeah, that's right. I'm not a hugger. Pistachio. Oh, mustache. Hey! What the orange bird? No! Orange bird! Oops, sorry, pink bird. Wait! Yeah, I remember this place. We were here on episode 1. That was funny. Go. Ow. Let Piggy mustache turn. No. Hey, who are you? Sure. What? Are you sure that I should do this? Yes, now go already, so I don't have to see your face anymore. Okay, master. Whee! Stupid pigs. Ow. Master, I'm stuck. Good. I can get you unstuck. Me too. My turn. Go, helmet pig. You can do it. Hold my flip-flops. What did I say? Whatever. Wee. You going? Wee. Uh-oh. Oh, get this off me. You go. Wee. Ow. Actually, the only one left. Wait, there's Ice Bird, Giant Red Bird, and Luigi. We can still do this with this amount of pigs. I want to go, Master. Sure. Yay, King Pig. Wee. Wait, come to think of it, what does that even mean? Whoa. Why am I blowing all over those smash?
Hi, friend. Hi, friend. We're all friends now.
Oh, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it. Kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it. What does kill it mean? Wanna go? Whee! Hey, Luigi was watching that. Oh, Luigi's tired. Go, fat pig. Whee! Uh-oh. Yay, we won! Yay, we actually won something! What? I was sleeping. What I missed? We won. Look. Oh. I don't see any of our pigs standing. No, we had the slingshot. We were launching ourselves at the birds. Oh, get these stupid flip-flops out of here. Hey, look, my flip-flops. Oh, ow, hey. Pistachio. We won. We won. We won. We won. What's that noise? Thank you very much. Come on, birds, and Stutter, and Luigi. Yeah, you got the eggs back, yeah. Okay, we got the eggs back. Right, we need to get the slingshot. Okay, come on, guys. So, are you glad you guys have the eggs back? Yep. Yeah, it's good to have the eggs back. But that hurt. Yeah. Come to think of it, aren't the pigs supposed to be stealing the eggs about now? Yeah. We need to get on with this Luigi and the Birds series. Yeah. Oh, there's a pig. There! Here you guys look. You just made us not guard anything just so you could say major look. Yeah. What's that crinkling noise? Who knows? Let's get back to guarding the... Ah! Guys, remember you made the pig steal the eggs! Oh, I'm sorry. I thought we had to get the series over with. I guess. Come on, guys, let's go. Whee, whee, smash, whee, whee. Ow! Get off of me! Yeah.